alerts of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flood advisory for Central Burnett County until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Rainfall rates of up to 2 inches per hour are possible. This, along with saturated soils, will cause rapid runoff and minor flooding in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marble Falls, Burnett, Bertram, Briggs, Watson, Lake Victor, Oatmeal, Farm to Market Road 963. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will cause minor flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, station WXK 27, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Tower space for this broadcast is a courtesy of KVUE TV and KITV. NOAA Weather Radio is on the air 24 hours a day, broadcasting warnings, watches, and related statements for Central Texas. A weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio tone alert is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon if no severe weather is in the area for the counties of Bastrop, Blanco, Burnett, Caldwell, Hayes, Lee, Travis, and Williamson. The Lower Colorado River Authority also rebroadcasts our weather radio information on 1610 a.m. within a 10 to 20 mile radius of transmitters at Lakes Travis, Bastrop, Fayette, Buck Canyon, and LBJ. Our internet address is www.weather.gov/EWX. Our telephone number is 830-606-3617. The short-term forecast for your area. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will persist for areas generally north of a Fredericksburg to Austin to Taylor line through 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Expect brief heavy rainfall and occasional lightning strikes with any thunderstorms. Rainfall amounts will generally remain around 1/4 of an inch. However, a quick 3/4 to 1 inch remains possible with the stronger storms. This activity will generally move to the northeast around 20 miles per hour. This is NOAA Weather Radio, station
Okay, that was a small string for the advisory. Small string for advisory on WXK 27 in Austin. Yep. So now I'm going to get my HH54 and film WNG 649 in Milam County, Texas to see what's going on. So that's it for now, and that's all.